Welcome to the sound of the 60s.
On the corner of High Street, there's a tune with an organ beat. People gather as they always do to see Organ Man and his monkey too. Copper coins in a weathered tin, children laugh as they tumble in. Every note feels warm and kind, lingering in every mind. The organ grinder's monkey dances softly to the day, spinning circles on the pavement as the music warms the grey. Oh, the organ grinder's monkey keeps the crowd in gentle sway. Little steps, a tiny bow, then he's off and on his way. The grinder hums with a knowing grin, playing melodies of where he's been. Old-time tunes with a modest grace, floating bright in the marketplace. See the organ grinder's monkey tipping lightly to the crowd. Simple charms in gentle rhythms make a busy street feel proud. Evening shadows stretch and glide, he tucks the monkey at his side. The day is drifting soft and slow, we hear the final echoes go. An organ grinder's monkey and a simple serenade, it brings a touch of sunshine to the places where it played.
Welcome to the sound of the 60s.